The motherfuckers ready to get busy today. Ready to get busy, Kevin?
That fool is already talking shit, bro.
Alex, are we not ready to work today, family?
Fuck no, we're not.
You ready to work, Kevin?
No, family.
Fuck no, bro.
What about you, fam? Jeff? It sure is good to see you.
Pick up on ground, bitch.
We gotta clean all this shit up. And we gotta make it look good. We're gonna get busy. I'm gonna grab that light out the detention vault.
What's up, YouTube? This is your boy David Archuleta, the Apprentice. Welcome back to Get Busy Plumbing. Today we're getting busy on material handling. It's not installing pipe or things like that, people, but let's not forget this is a super important part of the job, keeping things clean, neat, and organized. If everybody knows where material's at, they can't give you the excuse of saying that they're busy looking for it. You want everybody to not have an excuse and stay busy. So let's get to it, folks.
Show y'all what this detention vault looks like. Yeah. Look at that. Motherfucker goes way back. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is the light we are looking for. Got some good lights set up. This is the area that I have to organize. All this pipe, those trees, a couple of those pallets, all this shit. All this, all that. Let's get busy.
This fool ain't working.
I'm extremely busy. Break ain't till 9:30, motherfuckers. All right. Breaks are already over. Had to get me some of that calf cane. There she is.
What up?
Tysonisha. This is Tysonisha's last day, y'all. Decided to bust a nut and have a kid. We're back from break. Lunch is over. I'm a little stoned and it's time to get busy again.
What am I fucking today?
No safety jacket, no gloves. This is terrible.
My friend, it's too cold right now.
And we're not working hard because our hands are in our pockets. And that's that. Time to head out. Okay, let's go, family. Woo, motherfuckers. You don't leave me hanging, fuck you. What's up, pal? Man, a friend with weed is a friend indeed. So much. Yes, sir. Now that I got this coffee, I'm so ready to get busy. Break's over, ladies. It's time to get crazy with them. Oh, we're back at it again, Jaden. Are those our new tools? What's in that other hand? Let me see, put it to the camera. She's gonna be busy.
Hi, Dave.
Oh, there she is. We got here Max Performance Torch, brand new Husky bag, some copper cutters, socket set, the baby copper cutters. These are really clean, actually. Mechanics tool for a plumber. If you don't know, motherfucker, this will help you. Lunch is over. I need you and you
Dickhead
busy.
Productions.
Dickhead Productions. The only dick here is the one going inside you, bitch. Are we busy? And you brought the value of this video down. How neat everything looks. Man, to tackle this area. Friday, last day before New Year's. We'll see if they can keep me busy. Point out 3/8.
We want 8, sorry. 1, 4,
There you go.
3, 8.
There you go. Think about this. 1 to 3, right?
Yeah.
It skips 2. What would this one be? It goes 1A, 3/8. It doesn't go 4/8.
5, 8.
There you go. What is this one? 1A, 3/8, 5/8.
Oh, 7, 8, right?
Yes. And what are all the little lines in between?
8, 16.
16th. If you can learn this, you know the whole tape measure. Let's do a hard one then. What's this?
This one is what?
That's 1.
116, right?
1/16.
And this what?
That's 3/16.
316. 9.
9/16. So the 16ths are easy. You just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Thank you, David.
Yes, sir. I want you to point out where is the sign of struggle on this pipe. Right there, bud. He could have just put the nut all the way up to the ceiling and tighten. Signs of struggle. Bismarck. You know what conditioning is? These fat ass joints. Normally this is supposed to be brazed. Maybe you could solder those. I'm not too experienced. I was always told that you have to braze these big ass joints and they soldered them. You know they have the security cameras up. Make sure you flip them off, Bismarck. Beautiful Denver. What's up, fam? Bro, you're like the 4th plumber I ran in today that don't have a tape measure. We are slacking. Mr. George! Mr. George! Mr. George! Mr. George! Fish bait. You know what's going on. Well, how was our day, fellas?
It was easy as fuck.
Better now.
Happy New Year! There they go. Unexpectedly, we actually got let out at 12:30. Kind of a shitty day. We didn't really get a lot of things done and everybody's attitude was ready to leave. So this is this job site and it's affected all of us. So anyway, Happy New Year to you motherfuckers. And remember, stay busy.